everyone, my name is Shafin Rahim binti Muhammad Syakirin, 01 DEP 25F1038.
And I am Nurul Ain Fikriyah binti Muhammad Yusof, 01 DEP 25F1037.
Together we will presenting about the analog oscilloscope. In this video, we will explain how to calibrate the analog oscilloscope and
how to generate and display signals using a signal generator.
Part 1. Calibration of the analog oscilloscope.
First, let's look at the technique for calibration of the analog oscilloscope. Calibration is important to make sure that the oscilloscope displays accurate voltage and time measurement.
Here, we have a real picture of the analog oscilloscope. Before calibration, make sure the oscilloscope is properly connected and turned on.
First, connect the probe to the calibration terminal on the oscilloscope. 2. Set the volt per diff and time per diff knob to suitable values. 3. Press the auto or call button to display the calibration signal on the screen. 4. Adjust the vertical and horizontal control until the display waveform looks like a stable square wave.
When the square wave appears correctly on the screen, the oscilloscope is now calibrated and ready for measurement.
Part 2. Generating and displaying signals. Next, we will demonstrate how to generate and display a signal using a signal generator.
Step 1. Connect the output of the signal generator to the input channel of the oscilloscope using a BNC cable. 2. Turn on both devices. 3. Set the signal generator to produce a sine wave with a specific frequency, for example when K is. Step 4. On the oscilloscope, adjust the time base and voltage scale to clearly display the waveform. 5. You should now see the sine wave pattern on the oscilloscope screen. Now, you can also change the signal to square or triangle wave or the signal generator to observe different waveforms.
Before we end our video, we have learned how to calibrate an analog oscilloscope and how to generate and display signals using a signal generator.
This experiment helps us to understand how oscilloscopes are used to analyze electrical signals in real time. Thank you for watching.